My voice reaching you, sir?
Good afternoon to you.
Very welcome to the India Next Conclave. We are here in an auditorium in New Delhi. We are telecasting across this multiple channels of the ITV network right across the country, and we have him live with us from Amravati. The purpose of this conversation today was that we're looking 3 weeks later, the elections will end and the country will move on. The national agenda continues. You have a major agenda to build a capital for your state, sir, where you are sitting in Amravati. How is it going, and what are the plans for the next few years?
It is going very well. You are all aware. I had a track record. Earlier I built Hyderabad. That is only I had one city, Hyderabad. We had two cities, Hyderabad and Sikalaba. We added one more city, that is Hyderabad, with a knowledge economy. And also if you see the infrastructure, one of the best infrastructure where it will be. Either outer ring road, either Greenfield Airport, and also Hyderabad, and also ISB like that institutions. Today, I am building one more city. It is a greenfield city. We are having an advantage, River Krishna. As of now, we are able to link Godavari and Krishna, two rivers. I am very happy. This will be the futuristic city. It is a reflection for knowledge economy.
So the entire country was watching
Ultimately,
Amravati. Are you behind
this is our
schedule?
aim to build this city, one among top 5 in the world. Please.
Are you behind schedule, sir? Because there are a lot of
Somebody is
unfinished
out.
work.
No, I am not behind schedule. No, what I am saying, to complete a house, it will take 2-3 years. To complete a hotel, it will take 4-5 years. You wanted to build a city, planning, and also engaging architects, and also finally how to build the city, it will take some time. But at the end of the day, if you see, for the last 5 years, 1 year to decide the place, then I gave a call, nearly 35,000 acres of land people gave me on land pooling. They mentioned in the Bifurcation Act, there are so many provisions. Even then, the then Rajya Sabha felt it is not sufficient. Then finally, the then Prime Minister announced special status. Is it not the responsibility of the present Prime Minister to honor all these things? He promised in the elections, and ultimately he betrayed. That's why we are fighting. He betrayed Andhra Pradesh, he betrayed country also in so many aspects. And after 23rd, all political parties agreed for special status and also justice for Andhra Pradesh. That is where we are working together.
Okay, two last questions before we let you go, Chief Minister. When the results come out on the 23rd, sir, and Andhra has voted both for the State Assembly as well as voting for the centre, if you do well in both, what is the future of Chandrababu Naidu? Does it lie in Andhra Pradesh, does it lie in Amravati, or does it lie in Delhi, sir?
No, I am very clear. I told so many times. I am having so much of agenda. One is linking of rivers, completing Polavaram, and also I am having Amravati to take shape, to take to the logical conclusion, and also new state I have to nurture further. These are all my agenda. And at the same time, on national level, I will work with senior leaders. There are so many leaders. I will also contribute. We will work together for building this nation. Ultimately, our aim is very clear. India is a great nation. We need good leadership. I am confident the future coalition will create that.
इंडिया न्यूज के इंडिया नेक्स्ट कार्यक्रम में, इस खास कार्यक्रम में अब से कुछ ही देर पहले मंच पर गौतम गंभीर हमारे साथ जुड़े थे। वो क्या कुछ कह के गए हैं वो आपको सुनवा देते हैं।